Your body has two main sources of energy. It can run on sugar from food, or it can run on stored body fat. Most people today run on sugar. They get this sugar from carbohydrates, bread, pasta, rice, sugary drinks. You get a quick burst of energy, that doesn't last. Then comes the crash and hunger. This cycle keeps your fat tank locked. Learning to burn fat is a powerful change. It's a shift from one fuel source to another. Let's begin. Fat adaptation is a metabolic state. Your body gets very good at using fat for fuel, dietary and stored. Ketosis can start in days, but full adaptation runs deeper. It often takes 1 to 3 months. Muscles and brain learn to run efficiently on fat and ketones. Sign 1. You go longer between meals without hunger. Appetite shrinks without feeling deprived. Sign 2. Cravings, especially for carbs, fade. Sign 3. Steady energy replaces slumps. Sign 4. Clearer thinking, better mood. Sign 5. More endurance during exercise. Sign 6. Better sleep, sometimes with a slightly lower need. These signs show your body is efficiently burning fat. Many think more exercise always means more fat loss. Not always true. Type and amount matter. HIIT uses short, intense bursts, followed by full recovery. The magic happens in recovery, when metabolism rebounds. For most, once or twice per week is enough. Too often raises stress hormones and stalls fat loss. Go hard 20-30 seconds, then recover 1 to 2 minutes. Repeat 5 to 8 rounds. Always warm up and cool down. Push briefly. Recover deeply. What you do before sleep impacts fat burning. Try 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in 4 to 6 ounces of water. Sip it about an hour before bed. Acetic acid can reduce nighttime sugar output from the liver. Lower glucose, lower insulin, better fat burning. Be strict with evening carbs to keep insulin low overnight. HbA1c reveals true consistency over 3 months. Aim for a long, low insulin window while you sleep. Try ACV nightly for a week and note morning energy. Small evening tweaks, big results. Stress raises cortisol and drives fat storage. It also ramps up cravings. High cortisol, high insulin, fat burning stalls. Long, slow walks outside calm the nervous system. Physical work shifts your attention and lowers stress, often better than the gym for your mind. Infrared-rich light supports melatonin and relaxation. Daily de-stress habits are not indulgent. They're necessary. Lower stress, lower insulin, better fat burning. Becoming fat adapted requires consistency. Every carb hit raises insulin and pauses fat burning. Even small cheats add up and can stall progress. True day-to-day consistency sends a clear signal to switch fuels. Plan meals. Carry smart snacks. Reduce impulsive choices. Remember your why. Feel better, more energy, better health. Not perfection, just the right choice most of the time. Eat for nutrients, not just macros. You can lose weight on processed low-carb, but miss vital nutrition. Nutrient-dense foods, power hormones and enzymes for fat burning. Well-nourished bodies are less stressed and let go of fat. Favor whole, unprocessed foods. Leafy greens, colorful veg, quality meats and fish, eggs, olive oil, nuts and seeds. Less processed, higher quality food often means better results. Choose quality over convenience. Your body will thank you. Intermittent fasting speeds fat adaptation. Fewer meals lower insulin so you can access stored fat. Early on, add more healthy fat to feel full and extend time between meals. Use fullness to stretch your fasting window. After 1 to 3 months, hunger drops, cravings fade, energy steadies. Then reduce extra added fats so your body taps stored fat. Adapted bodies switch easily and burn reserves faster. Don't go too low. Aim for at least 75 grams of fat daily. At goal, add healthy fats to maintain. Sleep is an underrated fat loss tool. Poor sleep raises cortisol, hunger, and cravings. Keep it cool, dark, and quiet. Avoid screens an hour before bed. Nutrients like vitamin D3 with K2 and B1 can help. Consult your doctor before supplements. Short daytime naps lower cortisol and restore energy after a bad night. Work with your body. Small, intelligent changes send a powerful signal. Exercise smartly. Prioritize sleep. Manage stress. Be consistent. Choose quality. And fast wisely. Start small. Celebrate each win. Keep going. You can do this. Check the description for more fat loss ideas.